Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the time or change the clock on a Renault Laguna Mark III, model years 2007 through to 2015. So with your display on and showing the time and temperature, use these buttons here to change the hour and the bottom button to change the minutes. Now to navigate quickly, just hold it in until you've reached your desired time. And it's as simple as that. So really hope you enjoyed watching that video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.